Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I'm bringing you this 1999 Chrysler Town & Country Limited. Personally, one of my favorite generations of the Town & Country. This particular one's also equipped with all-wheel drive. It's going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Town & Country. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. Went ahead and faced it the other way to eliminate some of the glare. Has a brown leather interior. Seats are perforated. $164,000 miles. Fires right up. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel. It's also perforated. Very smooth. One of the smoothest column shifters I've ever felt. One of the reasons why I like these old Chrysler vans. Let's go ahead and cut on the headlights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? Chrome 16-inch wheels. Spacious rear. Back seats are removable. It's the vehicle's mats, jack stowage, power vents. Go ahead and pop the hood. The Town & Country comes with a 3.8 liter V6. Running nice and smooth. Cloth lower portion of the door with suede-like material up here in the wood grain trim. Two-person memory for the driver's seat, power controls for the rear vents, power window controls, locks, power mirror controls are located next to the light controls. A full power driver's seat, like I said, it is covered in perforated leather. Nice and soft. Some of the best comfort for Town & Country Limited vans, I personally think, are between these years, this generation. I just think these Town & Countries are built a lot more for luxury and comfort versus the more harder, cheaper leather seats than they started putting in the succeeding generation. Let's go ahead and see how it sounds. Doors have a nice soft closing to them. Simple to use, dual zone climate control. Different zones. Rear wiper controls for cycling. 12-volt power. It's got an infinity audio system. Garage home link. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Cruise control, as well as the radio controls located on the back of the steering wheel. Heated seats for up front. So let's go ahead and shut it down. Check out the rest of the vehicle. Roomy passenger seating, all in the perforated leather. Very soft. Coat hooks. Fold the seat down, pull this lever. That brings down the top, also doubles as a tray, modest drink holder, but then pull this, and it slides forward. Back seats are also some of the most comfortable in the van. Also suede type material back here. Rear cup holders. We also have a set of integrated cup holders here that slide up from under that seat. Full power passenger seat as well. Very nicely equipped van. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour in the 1999 Chrysler Town & Country Limited. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.